Tennessee JK300 said to try the Mountain Dew Spark with cinnamon whiskey, and I just found this Bird Dog. First time I've seen their cinnamon whiskey anywhere, so we're gonna try it with that. We're gonna open this up. Pause. Okay, we got it open. Let me try this out real quick. That's pretty damn good. Better than Fireball, that's for sure. And we're gonna top that with the Spark. Give that a quick spin. Cheers. Well, goddamn, that's pretty good. I go like 8-7 out of 10 on that one. Check that out. I grabbed these two, Ruby Red Grapefruit and Praline. So if you got drinks for these two, let me know. Cheers.